The modern digital workplace is the combination of a growing portfolio of SaaS applications, operating systems, and security. The security goal of the modern workplace is to provide the right access for every users at any time from any place on any devices. Fortinet Identity and Access Management is a comprehensive solution that enables organizations to secure user access and govern business compliance with the ease of lifecycle identity management while giving seamless experiences to the end users. This demonstration illustrates user secure access to a SaaS applications using strong authentication. The SaaS application used here is the Office 365, one of the best-selling Microsoft applications ever since its inception. In this demo, a user can access to Office 365 from wherever they are. FortiAuthenticator is set up to authenticate the user using corporate on-prem Active Directory or on Azure Cloud AD, and further challenge the user identity with two-factor authentication using FortiToken apps on their mobile device. SAML industry protocol standard is used here, where FortiAuthenticator is set up as a SAML identity provider. Make note that FortiAuthenticator can be set up in a SAML SP initiated flow as well. Now let's take a look at the end user experience. As the user attempts to access to Office 365, they first have to provide their credential. This is the first factor authentication, which is something that the user knows. The user is then challenged with a second factor authentication using a push to accept from their mobile device. This is the second factor authentication, which is something that the user has. Once the user is verified based on both authentication factors, the user can then access to the cloud applications. For IT information, the user authenticated sessions is locked for the use of monitoring, auditing, or business compliance. Now let's view the demo. As the user attempt to access to Office 365 from their workplace, the system takes the user to their company sign-in page for the first authentication challenge, which requires the user to provide their credential. The user is further challenged with the second factor authentication, which is the tap to accept from their mobile device. Once both authentication factors are verified, the user can start using the app. Now we can log into the FortiAuthenticator to review or to monitor the user authenticated session. Thank you for watching and hope you find this demo helpful.